Good morning, students. Now, our next video is on modified chemical vapor deposition technique. So, obviously, this technique is also to fabricate the optical fibers. So, in this method, a vapor phase oxidation process takes place inside a hollow silica tube as shown in the figure. So, here it is the figure. This is a hollow silica tube, and inside this tube the entire deposition takes place. So uh, the tube has length of about 1 meter and diameter of about 15 millimeter. It is horizontally mounted and rotated on a glass working lathe with an arrangement, normally an oxygen hydrogen flame, for heating the outer surface of the tube to about 1500 degrees Celsius. The reactants in the form of halide vapors and oxygen are passed at the controlled rate through the tube. The halide are oxidized in the hot zone of the tube, and the generated soot glass particles are deposited on the inner wall. The hot zone is moved back and forth, allowing the layer by layer deposition of the soot. Index grading may be achieved by varying the concentration of the dopants layer by layer. The tube can form a cladding material or serve as a support structure only for the porous preform. After deposition is complete, the tube or the porous preform is sintered at a high temperature of about 1700 to 1900 degrees Celsius to form the transparent glass rod. Fiber is then drawn from the rod in a usual manner. At present, this is widely used method for fabricating fibers as it allows deposition to occur in a clean environment with reduced OH impurity. So you can see why it is the clean environment, because the deposition takes place inside the tube itself, and from the outside the heating treatment is done. So obviously such a optical fiber or optical fiber prepared by such a method is very pure. Now, the method is suitable for preparing a variety of glass compositions for multi-mode or single mode step index or graded index fiber. So that means we can prepare all the three types of the optical fibers by using this modified chemical vapor deposition technique, isn't it? So now the attenuation of this optical fiber is of the order of 0.2 decibel per kilometer at a wavelength of 1.55 millimeter. And then this is for silica or germanium doped fibers. Further, this technique is also suitable for preparing polarization maintaining single mode fibers. Now, next method is plasma activated chemical vapor deposition process. This deposition rates, the deposition rate of MCVD, modified chemical vapor deposition process, may be increased if microwave frequency plasma is created in the reaction zone. Yeah, so to increase the deposition rate, what is done? Microwave frequency plasma is created inside the that reaction zone, means that in the hollow tube. This process is called as plasma activated chemical vapor deposition. Now here it is the diagram in which describe the plasma activated chemical vapor deposition. Now here a microwave cavity operating at 2.4 gigahertz surround the substrate tube The halide vapors of the silica-based compound or the dopants along with the oxygen are introduced into the tube where they react in the microwave excited plasma zone. The tube temperature is maintained at about 1900 degrees Celsius using a stationary furnace. The reaction zone is moved back and forth along the tube, enabling the circularly symmetrical deposition of glass layers onto the inner wall of the substrate tube. High deposition efficiency and excellent control of the graded index grading is possible with this method. Attenuation of the order of zero point 0.3 decibel per kilometer at an wavelength of 1.55 millimeter is obtained for dispersion flattened single mode fiber. Now, here we will see the general fabrication process. In general, we have discussed all the processes, all the techniques. Now, let us see general process of the fabrication of the optical fiber. So, generally, fabrication process involves multiple steps. First, a high purity silica preform is created using one of the above technique that we have discussed. The preform is then heated in a furnace and drawn into the thin fibers. During the drawing process, the fiber diameter is carefully monitored using laser based measurement system to ensure consistency. Once the fiber is drawn, it is coated with protective layer such as UV pure acrylate, ensuring durability and minimizing the signal loss due to environmental factors. So the coating reduces the signal loss. Attenuation is reduced and it also provides the durability. The final step involving rigorous testing of the fiber for attenuation, tensile strength, diameter consistency. Any deviation from quality standards are identified and corrected before the fibers are spooled for commercial use. Optical fiber fabrication is a sophisticated process that requires precision, high purity, and advanced manufacturing technique. Various fabrication methods such as OVPO, VAD, MCVD, PCVD are used depending upon the desired fabrication fiber properties and application requirements. Understanding these methods is crucial for designing and optimizing optical fibers system, ensuring efficient and reliable communication network for various industries, including technology, telecommunication, medical imaging, and industrial sensing. Now, below are the multiple choice questions, so you can go through these questions also. I will scroll down the questions. You can see here. Answers are also given below each question. I will provide the PDF file of these notes also. The notes have been prepared by me myself. So here is the MCQs. You can see here. You can read the question by pausing the video. Okay. Thank you.